Wonderful country omelet with bacon and potatoes and chopped chives. So I've started by sauteing 3 slices of thick-cut bacon and about a tablespoon of olive oil. The French use lardon, but you can use apple wood smoked bacon. It's better if it's a little thick cut. And I cooked it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's browned. I'm just gonna take it out and put it on a dish. And then I'm gonna take 1 Yukon Gold potato. It's about a cup of potatoes, 1-inch diced, and cook them right in the bacon fat for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're tender. That doesn't smell too bad. A little salt and pepper. Gorgeous. Now it's time for the eggs. 5 extra large eggs. This is really great because it's an omelet for 2. So you don't have to make 2 separate omelets. I hate making 2 separate things. It's like Sunday morning when I have to make pancakes for everybody. I'd much rather make 1 big pancake. So that's 5 extra large eggs. Splash of milk, about 3 tablespoons. You don't want to do too much milk, otherwise the eggs get kind of watery. Big sprinkling of salt, a little bit of pepper. Just beat them together. Potatoes smell like they're done. Just gonna take them out, put them in the pan with the bacon. How bad could this dish be, really? Okay, I'm just gonna drain off the fat. And just to cook the eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. I'm gonna add the eggs, and then I'm gonna put all the good things back in. Make sure the butter covers the bottom of the pan so the omelet doesn't stick. Okay, on low heat. First the eggs, then the bacon and potatoes go back in. Just spread them around so they're evenly distributed. You want each portion to have the right amount. Just like that. That looks good already. But I think it needs a little green herb, so I put a little chive on it. And actually, that's what they do at Cafe Varennes. So you can do this with a scissor or sharp knife, whatever you like. A couple of tablespoons of fresh chives. Give it a little oniony thing right on top. Okay, into the oven, 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's gonna be puffed and golden and gorgeous. And that's a bistro lunch for Jeffrey. Incroyable. Oh, perfect timing. I made a country omelet for lunch.
Ooh, that looks wonderful.
It's from a place in Paris. What does it remind you of?
That smells good.
Where's it from?
Cafe Varennes.
Perfect. He wins the omelet prize. So how's that for the beginning of a French vacation?
That's a
I
great
know we're
beginning.
in East Hampton.
That's a great beginning.
So it's country omelet, Cafe Varennes, and for dinner, I made grilled veal chops with Roquefort butter.
Did you say grilled?
Grilled.
Now, who's doing the grilling?
You don't want to?
Well, I can grill them, but, you know, I won't take full responsibility after what's happened before.
How about this? You can buy the wine. I'll grill the veal chops.
I'll go shop. I'll be the shopper?
You'll be the shopper.
Well, I've had some problems with that, too. Between the grilling and the shopping. I'll do the shopping.
Wonderful.
Ooh, this looks really
How's
great.
that look?
So this is a whole day, huh? A whole day.
Whole day in Paris. Okay, I hope you love this.
It just looks fantastic. No, it couldn't be better.
Paris without the jet lag.
This is the best of all worlds.